Okay. Anyway, children, so today we will be going through the worksheet number 38. Just to let you know, right, there will be four more revisions, 39, 40, 41, and 42. All right, because some of you are having your exams in the later part of October. All right, so we want to make sure that those of you who had their exam in the later part of October will have some more extra remainder, will have some more revision. Okay, so there will be, after this lesson, there will be four more lessons of all these practice paper for you guys. Cool. All right, then after the four lessons of practice paper, right, there will still be lessons conducting from 88 Tuition, just to let you know. All right, so we'll be having something called post-exam class. And what are we going to do in the post-exam class? There will be two lessons or something called logic and reasoning. All right, so do you know that mathematics is about logic? It's actually quite fun one. So there will be a lot of funny questions being asked. All right, some brain teaser kind of question. It's like, for example, they say that Fern's daddy and mommy has three children. One is called Fern. One is called Burn. Another one is called Funny, and the other one is called Lucky. So what is the fourth child called? Something like that. All right. So Fern's daddy and mommy got four children. All right. They are called Burn, Funny, Lucky. So what is the fourth child called?
I know.
Yes, Phanisha?
Fun.
Fun lah! Yeah lah. So we'll be asking about such question, which is actually very logical one, really. Really. All right. All right, so there will not be any like a math question to plus and minus. There will be a lot of patterns. All right. That will be quite interesting, that two lesson, I feel. Then after the two lessons, right, there will be another four lessons to give you an update of what is going to happen in primary 5. All right, so as you know that P4 to P5, right, the gap is actually quite huge. All right, the mathematics gap is actually quite huge. All right, so you need to be able to prepare yourself better. So we are trying to bridge it. All right, make the primary 5 work introduction a little bit earlier, so that when you go to primary 5, you will not get a culture shock. All right. So ultimately, that is going to happen for the next 10 weeks or so of lessons. Can? All right, just to inform you. All right. So just to move on again. All right. So last week, we talked a little bit about one question. This is the homework. And some of the students actually stay back to answer the question. Thank you so much. All right. Hello, Agnev. My name is Fern. I am the twin brother of Burn. Yes. So I'm the younger version, correct. So Cat, yes. Yes. Mr. Burn is very funny. Indeed, he is. Yes. But Mr. Fern is a little bit more serious. All right, so children, get serious. Why are you laughing? No smile. No smiling. Okay. So let's take a look at this question first. All right. Can you all please type your answer into the chat? Can you all please type the answer into the chat? Very simple. Go and count. Go and cut it into smaller equal pieces and go and count how many is what? Shaded. All right. Looking for shaded. Oh, thank you, Kat. Kat said that I'm very calm, very strict. Oh, yes, Raj. Correct. Elena, yes, you got it right. Good job. Yes, Jasmine. Yes, Shafi. Oh my goodness. You guys are amazing. You all know why or not? You all know why today got so many answers not finished? Yes, Kat. Wow. Because today, right, you all never go to school. Right? So you all are feeling so enthusiastic. You all got so much strength. You all just want to answer question. Yes, thank you so much. You guys are amazing. Oh, some of you got school. Poor thing. All right. But the rest of you, right, staying at home, right? All right. So the answer is 308. Very good job. So again, children, this type of question, my advice to you is to chop, chili, chop, cut them into equal pieces. Cut them equal pieces. All right. So as you can see, the triangles are equal, right? How many triangles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. There is a total 16 triangles. Okay. Then the question is looking for shaded. All right. The question is looking for shaded. So how many is shaded? You have to count. 1, shaded. 2, shaded. 3, 4, 5, 6 shaded. That's the answer. All right. But wait a minute, children, wait. All right. Please remember to reduce to the lowest term. Both of them are even numbers, means can divide by 2. All right. Therefore, the answer is 3/8. Yes, you're correct. Darius, where is the figure? Oh, this is not inside your, this is the previous homework. All right. This is the previous homework. Yes. All right. I did so much math before this. Oh, very good. Those of you having the holiday today, right? Yeah, you're practicing on math. That's good. Good job. All right. So some of you are even studying, is it? Wow, good job. Wow, that's good. All right, because I seldom remember myself studying in primary 4. When I was in primary 3 and primary 4, right, I don't really study one. And last time we are not that fortunate like you guys. So we don't have tuition one. Yeah. So honestly, I'm not very smart. All right. Honestly, I'm not very smart. All right. So we do not have tuition, and because of boys, okay, me lah, not the rest, not like Darius or Raj. You are very hardworking, right? For me, I'm very playful one last time. So I don't usually study one. Correct. So when I see people downstairs in the playground, right? We live in HDB that time. All right. So we see people downstairs at the playground. Wow, everybody playing, So you will just go down there and play with them. All right. So that was me last time. All right. But now, you guys are different. All right. You guys are more fortunate. You guys, your daddy and mommy are willing to pay for the tuition and all this for you to come for lesson and all this. So I think you all should appreciate them more. Understand or not? All right. So even though this week is Children's Day, right? Can you all please, don't expect any presents from your daddy and mommy. All right. Yeah. Okay, so moving on. This question is done well. Many of you got the answers already. Good job. I can feel the energy in this class. Woo! Sorry, was I too loud? All right. Xander, my name is not spelled wrongly. My name is called Fern. All right. Fern Ong is the twin brother of Bern Ong. All right. Today my name is called Fern. All right. You all can call me Fern. All right. I'm a green living thing. All right. I make my own.
Hi, Fern.
All right. Yes, that is me, Fern. Oh, today is Indonesia's Batik Day, is it? Oh, interesting. Nice. Okay. So moving on. All right, let's go into our today's worksheet. All right, today we are doing worksheet number 38. All right, it's all about the final year revision. And children. All right, you know my expectation. Primary 3 and primary 4, right, can get full marks for your exam, especially for mathematics. You can do it. All right, you can do it. All right, first you have to believe in yourself. Second, you have to be careful and do your workings carefully, all right, during your exam, and eventually you will score very well. Trust me. Can? All right. So, we have a new student here, Jurisha. Is it Jurisha? I think I pronounced your name correctly, I hope. All right. Yeah. Welcome to lesson. All right. So my name is actually Mr. Bern Ong. All right. The reason why you are seeing Mr. Fern is because I'm trying to play a prank at them. So usually, Bern Ong, I got very long hair, it's like a very bushy, right? But yesterday I went to cut it short, or 2 days ago I went to cut it short. That's why it's a little bit much more younger, you see? Yeah, that's why I was trying to prank them, saying that I'm the twin brother of Fern. All right.
But you still sound like Bern.
Yeah, the voice cannot escape one. I know, I totally understand. And my size is still very big and sorry. Yeah, it's still not slim. All right, so that one also cannot escape. Oh my goodness. Okay, come children. Let's talk about Linda. What is she doing on the bus? Right. All right, so she took a 20 minutes bus ride to the nearest train station. 5 minutes later, she boarded the train, which arrived at 12:10. At what time did she board the bus? Oh, can you see? All right, it's like a bit of walking backwards. Darius, you cannot see the screen, is it? Hey, the rest can see or not, the screen? Can, right? Oh, Darius, can you please lock out and lock in again? Yeah, because everybody else can see the screen. Hello, Brian. Hi. All right, so come, children, let's take a look. All right, can you all, those of you who answered this, right? Can you please give me the answer? All right, I see that Kat and Darius actually make a mistake in the worksheet. All right, the rest did it well. For those who never do, right, you can actually key in the answer. Yes, Jasmine, you got it right. Good job. Yes, Phoenicia, you got it right. All right. Oh, Phoenicia, your mom is called Linda. Oh no. Oh no. Yeah, tell her that I sang a song for her, okay? All right. Oh, Kat, your answer is correct. But Kat, please do not put the dot. All right. So Kat wrote this one, 1.45. Children, be careful. The question is looking for a 24 hours clock. 24 hours clock, you cannot have the decimal. Oh, be careful. Answer is 1145 only. Can?
习惯放了。
Okay, yeah, must be careful lah, huh? If not, then the marks get minus away for nothing. Can? Okay, come. For those who are still doing, all right, this is what is happening. Sometimes the question gives you a backwards information. All right, she boarded a train which arrived at 12:10. So this is the part that she boarded a train. All right, train. All right, then what happened? Oh, she actually started from her home, maybe. All right, this is the start. And it took a 20 minutes bus ride to the nearest train station. So down here, all right, is the 20 minutes bus ride to the nearest train station. All right, so this is the station. So at the station, right, obviously she did some waiting lah. All right, where got so coincident every time you reach the station, right, the train is down there waiting for you. Very unlikely. All right, so 5 minutes later, down here she waited for 5 minutes. She boarded the train. So she boarded the train at 12:10. So can you see now, children? You are given the backwards information. You are supposed to work your way back to the front. Is that understood? Yeah. So many of you always cannot work backwards one. Totally understand. All right. Totally understand. My teacher said there has to be 2 dots up and down in between the hours and minute. Oh, Shafi, really? For 24 hours clock, you know? Oh, serious? Hey, children. Seriously? Your school teacher teach you 24 hours clock must be like that, is it? 1145. Is it like that? Okay. Oh my goodness. Raj and Shafi. And Kat also. So you all don't present as 1145, is it? So this is wrong, is it? For a 24 hours clock, you know. Wow. Oh no. Now I'm super confused also.
The 2 dot is digital.
That is for digital, I understand. Right, but when the question just asks for 24 hours clock, you know? So 24 hours clock is still without the 2 dots, right? Oh my goodness. Okay, children, let me go and check this out again. Right, let me go and check this out again. All right, so I believe because when you talk about digital clock, right, is you have to write in the dot. Can? All right, so this question, right, let me go and check it out again. All right, when do you put the 1145 and when do you put the 11.45? All right. Sometimes we present as 11.45. This one is with the A.M. This one I understand. This one is correct. All right, this is for the 12 hours clock. All right. But some of the school are teaching the dot. All right, which I am also quite confused. Okay, so let me go and check this out again and let me come back to you guys. Is that okay? Yeah. Okay, so for now, let me just put it as 11:45, 11:45 like this. Thank you, Shafi. Thank you. Okay, so let's move on. So at 12:10, we are supposed to move backwards. Move backwards by how many minutes? Can you see not? 20 plus 5, right, is a total of 25 minutes. So you're supposed to go backwards by 25 minutes. Is that okay? Okay, so what do you do? All right, so please be careful, Darius, please be careful. You cannot just like this minus, Darius. Please be careful. All right, I think you did something like that. Very dangerous. Is it? You do something like that? All right, 10 minus 2 is an 8. 1185. Can or not, children? All right, so please be careful, Darius. Oh, be careful. All right, for time, you cannot do the subtraction like this one. Okay, so what do? So I need to minus off 25 minutes, right? So I purposely minus off the 10 minutes first. Can? Once I minus off the 10 minutes, right? Okay, I will get a 12 o'clock. That will be a little bit easier to count. All right, but I don't want to just minus 10 minutes, right? I want to minus 25 minutes. So down here, I need to minus off another 15 minutes. Do you understand? All right, so 12 o'clock, you have to minus off a 15 minutes. So at the o'clock, right, it's always at the 60 minutes, right? So 60 minus 15 will give you a 45. All right, so this portion here will be 11:45. Okay.